Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix battery draining fast in your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If you have updated your device to the latest version like iOS and your battery is draining fast, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So for the first method, what you need to do is just simply open setting, and firstly you have to turn off your Wi-Fi if you are not using Wi-Fi, and after that check if its Bluetooth is turned off. So you have to turn off your Bluetooth if you are not using. And the third thing is that you have to open settings again, then you have to scroll it down, tap on general, and from here tap on background app refresh, and from here you have to turn off your background app refresh and then go back. And after that what you need to do is just simply go back, and after that you have to open settings again, and you have to scroll it down from here, scroll it down all the way, and then you have to tap on battery, and then you have to turn the toggle on for low power mode, and then go back from here, then again open settings from here, and then you have to scroll it down from here, and then you have to tap on display and brightness, and from here you have to adjust your brightness, and you have to use the dark mode, and then go back from here. And after that what you need to do is just simply open settings again, and then you have to scroll it down from here, and then you have to tap on general, and then you have to update your device to the latest version. And after that what you need to do is just simply open control center, and then you have to tap on this, and then you have to turn on night shift mode in night, and after that you have to restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.